Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I've been meaning to do this unboxing with you guys. I haven't done it because I actually tried doing the unboxing, to be honest, but I didn't open it. It's still sealed. I just marked off where my address and stuff is at. I recorded it, didn't open it, and I didn't like the way it like worked, or I didn't like the way it was, how the unboxing was basically. So I'm here to show you guys the products, what's inside. I'm super excited. I haven't opened it just because I want to actually unbox it with you guys for the first time. I've done a lot of unboxings. The first one I started off with is the unboxing from Influencer. I don't know what happened as to why I don't get their boxes anymore, but hopefully I'm able to get their boxes again because they're the ones who got me into doing this whole unboxing stuff. So let's get into it. One, I must say I love my hair today. It's just like really pretty, so happy, I feel cute. And actually I just got off of work like about an hour or two ago, so I was just like, I'm not gonna take off my makeup, I'm gonna just powder up a little bit, and I'm going to do this unboxing for you guys because I know you guys have been waiting for another video for a minute. So we're just gonna get this to unbox it. So it's sealed, tape on it. See, it's pretty bulky. It's almost ripping too. So we're gonna open it. Okay, and then let me see if I could take a. Oh, that'll be afterwards. Yeah, I'll do it afterwards. So once you open it, it says make waves, and then in the back it'll show you the products that come inside the box and the pricing and everything. So my camera's acting weird. So the first product we're going to show off is this Glam Glow. I never really had anything from Glam Glow, so this will be the first one. Super excited. I love the packaging. I love how it looks with all of these colors and how shiny it is. Trust me, I am a fan of highlighters, so this is like brings my attention because it's so eye-catching. So let's go over it. So it says this is the Gentle Bubble Cleanser. It says gentle but make it bubbly, this daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. And this is for all skin types. And this values for $28, which I don't mind getting again. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna be testing it out, seeing how it works for my skin, seeing if there's any results as to, you know, how fast it's able to remove my makeup and if it like helps with my skin, with my acne and everything. So first item. The second item we have is the Alamar Color It Blush Trio. So looks like this. I love the packaging. I do have a palette from Alamar already. I'll show you guys that probably later. And then these are the three blushes in Deserted, Oasis, and Candela. And I really love these blushes, especially for brown skin complexions. Maybe they'll look nice on like lighter skin complexion, but these colors would really fit tan colors, especially this berry shade. Like it will look so beautiful. I did wear it today, but it faded a little bit because it just does. Throughout the day my makeup does wear out. That's why I'm shiny. But let me give you information on this. So this palette, it says get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Color Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth highly pigmented and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. So I like how already 2 products have been vegan. And I mean, vegan's a good thing, right? This rates the value is for $22. This is pretty good for $22. I feel like the quality and the pigmentation and everything, it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna swatch them. Yep, I love them. I love these 3 shades for my skin complexion. So we have Deserted, Oasis, and Candela. I love the packaging. It's very pretty. It looks very how do I say, like if it was like water, has something to do with like the ocean and everything, like mermaidy. It's so pretty. So once again, this value is for $22, and we're gonna do some swatching because I know people ask me for swatches. So that one is Candela. Is it Candela? Yeah, Candela. Then we have Oasis, which is more of a deeper blush. And then we have, what's the name? Deserted, which is a nice orangey blush. And all of these look really nice on any skin complexion, but I would really love these on a brown skin women. I don't know, I'm just saying, these colors look really nice. So the next one we have is the Ciate London Luster Cream Eyeshadow. So this is the packaging. I like it. It gives me almost like Sailor Moon vibes a little bit. It's in Cupid. Open it. Oh, this is definitely gonna be my favorite one because of the color. It's a very nice purple shade. What else? So this is the cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna swatch it right here. Ooh, I can see myself using this as either the eyeshadow or the highlight. I'm gonna test it out as a highlight real quick. So this, it says your new Ciate London Eye Luster will help you create a long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow look. The metallic glittery liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. And this value is for $22. So let's try it out really quickly as a highlight, because if it works as a highlight, I'm using my pinky because that's the only one that's not dirty. You can semi-see it, but I'm starting to notice that it dries down pretty quickly, but it gives a little bit of a shine to it. So yeah, it dries down pretty quick, so you might want to work with it quickly. And that value is for $22. We have 2 more products. We have a eyelash curler, which looks like this. It's almost like the same thing as the Glam Glow packaging. I can already tell that this eyelash doesn't get too much of a squeeze. It's cute. I'll probably give this to my mom or whatnot, but I need something because this values for $18. This valued for a little bit less, and this gives like a better squeeze, and that's why my lashes look like this. With this, I don't think it would really like give me much, but we'll see. We'll give it a try. And then now we are going down to the end of this Boxycharm. The last product we have is the Luna by Luna lip gloss, which looks like this. Luna by Luna. It almost feels like if Manny and Miwei came up with this lip gloss. And this one's in the shade Venus, which is funny because it's my sister's cat's name. And as I can see, it looks like a very nice neutral shade. Yep, it's a nice shimmery brown shade. It had some shimmers in it, sparkly. And then we'll swatch it right here. So it just seems like a gloss. It does feel tacky, just a little bit. But the shimmer, you can't really tell from it. It's shimmery on here, but it's not that shimmery in person. It's just very glossy. And this also goes for 18 bucks. So I really loved, I just got a text, sorry. I really loved all of these products, especially the blush. I'm always excited to get some sort of like face cleansing product in my packages. Sadly, this is my last one, my last Boxycharm. I'll see what I can do. Oh, actually, I do have a video that I want to I do have videos that I want to plan out and do for you guys. So I already have one in mind. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed these products. Oh, didn't really tell you what the lip gloss does, but it says prepare for an expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting color while delivering the look of fuller lips. This non-sticky gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip. So when it says non-sticky, this isn't like super sticky like the old glosses are that are in tubes, but this one is a little bit, just a tinge sticky. It's not like, I don't know how to tell you, but I feel like it's just a little bit sticky. But overall, I love these products. For $21, I suggest you guys go ahead and go over to boxycharm.com. Go ahead and subscribe. It's just $21. They do have other options for you if you want to get more than one box. But yeah, I enjoyed all of these products and I'm excited to use them in a future tutorial. And I'll catch you guys in another one. Bye guys. Good night. By the way, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what product you like from all of these. What products have you tried already? Or what products are you going to try with this Boxycharm? I'll see you guys next time, and